In this video, we're showing SmartTab point of sale users how they can integrate their sales reports with their beverage inventory system to compare what they're selling and pouring at the bar. We've run this sales report for a week and can see that in the case of Jameson, they sold 57 drinks. But that oversimplifies the question of how much was sold, because there are many different Jameson buttons, including different size drinks like doubles, as well as signature drinks like green tea, also called for Jameson. If we look at the Bar I recipe module, we can see that for every single drink, according to the standards of the bar, we've written a precise recipe of how much is put into that individual drink. In turn, this allows us to look at the button count for each button, multiply it by the serving size, and calculate the exact amount sold. We add this up for all the buttons and get an aggregated amount, which allows us for every product at your bar to compare how many servings you sold with what was poured in real life. This bar is doing awesome, missing just 3 servings and accounting for 98% of the Jameson they poured during the period. If you'd like to integrate your SmartTab point of sale system with your beverage inventory system, schedule a demo with Bar I today. Thanks for watching.